In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet and get it in your bank account. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up some sort of centralized exchange. For example, we're going to be using Coinbase in this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Coinbase really quickly. All right, guys, so here I am in Coinbase, and the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say transfer. Then you want to go ahead and press on receive crypto. Then make sure that Solana is selected, because I believe it automatically selects Bitcoin, but just make sure that you do select on Solana, because we're going to be receiving Solana, and then it is going to show basically your address that you could use in order to receive Solana. So from here, all you want to do is you want to copy down the address like so. Then you want to go ahead and go back to Phantom Wallet. All right, once we're back in Phantom Wallet, go ahead and select on Solana right over here. Then go ahead and press on this button that does say send. Then go ahead and paste in the address that we did just copy. So bam, there you go. I do have my address right over there. Then I'm just going to go ahead and press on it next. So yeah, that is the address that we did just copy down from Coinbase. So all you want to do from there is you want to go ahead and press on next once you located it. And then you want to go ahead and enter in how much Solana you actually want to send. And this is basically going to be the amount of Solana that is going to be in your bank account. But keep in mind, there is some small fees. So for this video, I'm just going to be doing something small. This is around like 99 cents. So all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on next. And then you just want to go ahead and confirm this transaction. And it's also going to tell you the network fee as well. So let's go ahead and just press on send like so. And just make sure that everything is correctly. Make sure that you do input the correct address, because if you do mess that up, then you could potentially be sending crypto to like some other random wallet and you are not able to receive that. So just make sure that the address is completely correct. So go ahead and just press on send once you're done with that, and now it will begin to actually send those funds over to that address. And then there you go, it will say sent. So once you see this, you can go ahead and close it down, and then all we need to do now is we need to go ahead and open up Coinbase one more time. All right, so what you want to do from here is you want to wait around like 2 to 5 minutes, and then eventually it will update your Coinbase balance. And you're able to tell, because if we go over here, you'll notice that, yep, we did receive those 99 cents worth of Solana that we did just send earlier. Now that you're done with that, go ahead and select over here where it says crypto. Then go ahead and select on Solana. Then go ahead and select on this option that does say buy and sell. And go ahead and select on this option that does say sell. Then go ahead and input how much Solana you actually want to sell. So for this video, I'm just going to be doing 99 cents because that is what we've been working with throughout this entire video. You could also go ahead and just send the maximum amount of Solana. It really is up to you. But here's where things get really important. Make sure that you do sell Solana and that it does go to cash USD, which is exactly what we need. All right, but once you went ahead and confirm the amount of Solana you want to sell, go ahead and press on review order. Then once you're done with that, it is going to ask you for confirmation. So go ahead and just press on sell now once you confirmed everything. Again, make sure that it is being deposited to cash USD. And then there you go. You will get something that looks like this. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on done once you're done with that. And now you want to go back to the main menu, and then you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say cash. And there you go. We will have some cash right over here. So we can go ahead and just press on that. And from here, we can go ahead and withdraw this money to our bank account. So let's go ahead and press on withdraw like so. And my screen is black for privacy reasons, but essentially you want to go ahead and select on how much cash you actually want to withdraw. And then you want to go ahead and select on what account you want to transfer it to. And then you guys could go ahead and either pick between to withdraw to your bank account, your debit card, PayPal account. It really is up to you. But basically all you want to do is pick one of them, and then you should be good to go. All right, and then it is going to ask you to confirm everything. So for this video, I'm actually using PayPal just because it's a little bit easier. However, you could always go ahead and just link your bank account and then select on your bank account. But once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on withdraw cash now. And then from there, you should see something that looks like this. So go ahead and just press on view account. And from here, you have now cashed out Solana from Phantom Wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.